Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first tie a ponytail and fix this bun pin on the downside of the hairs. Tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin. Fix it properly and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs. Fix the hairs by rotating it like this. Now after that, tie it properly. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then fold them upward after making the plaits. Fix them using the hair clutches like this. Fix it on the top of the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it and then tie it using a rubber band. Now fold it upward and fix it from the sides as well. Make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this hair clutch on the hairs. Divide it from the between and fold it upward and fix it like this. Put the hair clutch and it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this and then fold it from the between and fix it like this in the half. Now divide the hairs from the between, rotate it and fix it over the bun. Now spread the hairs from the sides, tie it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to put the hair clutch. Next, tie the ponytail and then rotate the hairs. Now divide the hairs into two parts from the between. Now fold it like this and put the hair clutch over the hairs and make a bun. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and fix this bun foam on the hairs. Now spread the hairs into two parts and fix this rubber band over it. Now take the hairs from the sides, fold it around it like this and put a rubber band and tie it properly and it's ready. Next, tie a high ponytail like this. Now after that, we will roll the hairs as shown in the video, fold it upward and make a tight bun like this. Now fix this bun clutch over it and it's ready. Next, we will take a hair clutch and fix it over the hairs in the downside of the hairs like this. Tie it from the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs and then roll it using the fingers like this upward. Fix it from the sides by putting the hair clutch in the between like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail from the sides of the hairs and fix it by folding it upward using a hair clip. Now divide the hairs into three parts and fix them on the alternative sides inside the clips one by one. Tie it from the top and then roll it down like this and fix it using these bun pins and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix the hairs by rolling it upward and fix this bun clip on the sides of the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail like this and fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into three parts and fix the hair clips inside it like this. Fix the hairs properly. Now tie it on the top and then fold it down like this and fix it using the hairpin and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs by making a high ponytail. Fix this bun making tool on the hairs. Slide it down and then fold the hairs upward. Fix it on the sides of the hairs by folding it. Spread the hairs and put a rubber band and the hair clutch on the sides. Put this bun pin and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.